or if you want to navigate from one page to another page, or if you want to navigate from one resource toward another resource, then you can navigate from one resource to another resource, or between the web pages, or within the web pages, or between the websites. Now that you can do it by using which one here? Hyperlinks. It's nothing but linking one document with what? Another document, or linking the content of one web page with the content of the same page, or linking one website with what? Another website. Even this you can do it by using which one? Hyperlinks. Now how you create this hyperlinks is, you are creating this hyperlinks by using one tag. And what is the name of the tag? A. A is nothing but what here? Anchor tag. So A tag or anchor tag in HTML is used to create what here? Hyperlinks, and which allows users to navigate between the web pages or what? Resources. If you want to navigate between the web pages or resources, so that you can do it by using which tag? Anchor tag. If you take any website, right, you try to navigate. For example, if you say this is a dashboard, or if it is a dashboard, or which you call it as a menu. Now, if I click on applications, it will just move to which one? Applications page. Okay, this is applications page. Is it content of application is displayed or not? Yes. If I click on PSF, then it just moved to which page here? PSF page. Okay, suppose if you take Naresh Shetty website. Okay, suppose some Naresh Shetty dot. Okay, Naresh Shetty dot what here? In suppose if you see this, for example, assume that some classroom training is there. Okay, now in this you find so many links here. Now you can see trainer's profile, student inquiry, corporate training, post your feedback, view contact us. Now suppose if I click on trainer's profiles, then what will happen? You'll get the trainer's profile here. Okay, now these are the trainer's profile, you'll get it. Okay, yes. Old picture here. Okay. Okay. This is old, long back. Okay. So I'll tell you one minute. Wait here. Yes. Now actually this is my profile here. This is my profile. Now actually old means, now when I joined long back, means this is my initiative. This is my, I think 16 years, I think. This is my 16th year. Okay, Naresh Shetty started 17 or 18 years back. Okay, within that 18 years, I'm with Naresh Shetty 16 years. I started. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. There you go. Actually, what is my profile is, what is this? Java J2E trainer. Okay, I did Java, JDBC, Servlet, JSP, and C, C++, data structures, and Unix and object oriented. All these are familiarized. It means if it is JDBC, Servlet, JSP means it is also include HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular, all front end as well as back end. Now I can able to teach complete full stacks. Now full stack Java, full stack Python also. Full stack Java and full stack Python from front end to back end. End to end application development, everything. Okay. Yes. So general, now this is hyperlink, right? Now once you click on this is image link. Suppose your Sudhakar Ladda is there, right? Who teaches, okay, now it is open, right? Okay, this is one link which is open. no profile is there. Okay. Now suppose if you take some other person, Hari Krishna sir is there. Okay. If you open it, now you can see the profile. Sir, no, no, this is linking, linking one page with what another. Now, how you link one page with the another, right? Yes, that can be done by using which tag here? Anchor tag. So this anchor tag also called as which one? Hyperlinks. This anchor tag also called as hyperlinks. Okay, to create hyperlinks which allows users to navigate between the web pages or what? Resources. The anchor tag is having so many attributes that can be used to control the behavior and appearance of what? Hyperlinks. Okay. Now these are some of the attributes. Now there is a first attribute you have is href is there. Okay, href, which stands for hyperlink reference. Okay, it is nothing but this will define the link. Okay, this will define the link, or it defines what? URL. href defines what here? URL. Which URL? Destination URL. href specifies the destination URL. URL stands for what? Uniform resource locate. Now you need to define the location where your resource is available. Okay, where your resource is available or resource, or you can call it as which one? Destination. Or resource that the link points to. So that you can call it as which one? Href. Okay. So href, always you define which one? URL. Okay. And after that, there is one more attribute is there, which is called as a target. Now, where you want to open this resource? Where you want to open this resource? Okay. That is defined by using which one? Target. Where you want to open this resource? That you define it by using target here. Now specifies where the linked document will open. Where the document should be open, or where the page should be open, that you define it by using target. But here you have a target. There are so many values there are different values related with the target. So there is a value called self. There is a value called blank. There is a value called parent. There is a value called which one? Top. So target is given how many values here? 4 values, like self, blank, parent, and one more is a top. See here again I said, now self is a target attribute. The target attribute in HTML is used to specify where to display the linked document. Now where you want to display this resource? Where you want to display this resource? Okay, so that you define it by using which one? Target. Okay, yes, specify where to display the linked document when user clicks on which one? Hyperlink. See, if you see self, the linked document will be displayed in the same frame, or what is that? Window as a current page. This is default behavior of which one? Target. So where it will display the linked document within the same frame, or what is that? Window. And there is a blank. The linked document will be displayed in a new window or what? Tab. So for that you are using which one? Blank. And there's one more which is called as a parent. The linked document will be displayed in the parent frame or what? Window of the current frame or window, if it is exists. And there is a top. The linked document will be displayed in the top level browsing context, which is typically use a browser window or what? Tab. So for that you are using which one here? Top. Now we'll see examples on this, like self, blank, parent, and one more is a top. But what this self, blank, parent, and top will define which one? Target. What is a target is? Where to display the linked document. You want to display the linked document within the same window. You want to open in what? New window. You want to open in what? Parent window. You want to open in parent frame, or you want to display on the top. So that is defined by using self, blank, parent, and one more is a top, right? Yes, this is one more attribute which is called as a target. And there is one more attribute is there called REL. REL is nothing but relationship. REL is nothing but what a relationship between linked documents to the current document. Linked documents to the current documents, that you define it by using what? REL, which is called as a relationship. What is the meaning of relationship? For example, you have a chapters, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, or suppose chapter 1 is there. In chapter 1, you have a different topics, like topic 1, topic 2, topic 3, like that. Okay, you open chapter 1, okay, then it will display topic 1. Okay, now when you click on next, it will go to which one? Next topic, which is called as topic 2. So what is the relation between topic 1 and topic 2? There is some relation between topic 1 and topic 2 or not? Yes. How you define that relationship? By using which one? REL. So this topic 2 is related with what? Topic 1. The chapter 2 is related with what? Chapter 1. Chapter 3 is related with what? Chapter 2. Chapter 2 is related with what? Chapter 3, like that. So that relationship you can define it by using an attribute called which one? Relation. So there are so many values out there again. In relation, you define so many values. The next one is title is there. Title specifies extra information about the link that is displayed. Now, this title is nothing but tooltip. Tooltip is nothing but when you move the cursor, when you move the cursors here, when you move the cursor, you'll get some tooltip, right? You'll get some tooltip. Tooltip is nothing but, okay, some boilerplate, or it is called as a tooltip when user move the cursor. When user move the cursor, right, you'll get some extra information, and that extra information, you can call it as, that extra information is called as which one? Title. That extra information is called as a title here. See here, this is a link, right? See here, suppose if I move the cursor, okay, suppose classroom training is there. Okay, yes, extra information. If I move the cursor, not provided titles here. Titles are not provided. Suppose title not provided. Okay, yes, otherwise, now if you see this Google Chrome, right, you have a different links here. These URLs are there or not? Yes, all these are image URLs. Okay, then if I move it, then you are getting tooltip or not? Yes, what is a tooltip? HackerRank. If you move here, there is a pro tutor. Okay, there is, if you move here, competitive programming. Okay, if you move like this, you can call it as which one? Title. The tooltip what you are getting, that you call it as which one? Title there. Title. That is called as a title. And next one is a download. See, you are providing more information. You are providing more information about the anchor tag or the link. So that you can call it as which one? Title. And there is a download, specifies that the target resource should be downloaded instead of displayed in the browser window when the link is what? Clicked. So you find different types of HTML links or hyperlinks. Okay, you find different types of HTML links or hyperlinks. Suppose when you click on certain links, what will happen? There will be some download links. For example, software download. Okay, software download you'll get in the form of link. If you click on that link, what will happen? One file will be downloaded. So that is called as which link? Download link. That is called as which link? Download link, right? So you find different types of links. Suppose mail link, you also find mail to. Okay, mail to. If you click on mail to, then what will happen? You'll get one more link. If you click on mail to, it will open inside what? One mail. So that you can call it as which link? Mail link. It means you find different types of link like that. There is one link which is called as what? Download link. So generally the links are only two types. One is suppose internal links and one more is what? External links, which is called as intra document, inter document. Intra document and inter document. Inter document means within the same within the same page, that you call it as intra document. Inter document means between the different pages. That pages might be exist in the same application. That pages might be exist in what? Two different applications. Either it can be same application or between the two different application. Intra document links and inter document links. Intra means within the same. Inter means between the pages. That pages may not be exist in the same application. That pages might be exist in what? Two different, maybe exist in the same application or two different applications. That you call it as intra document link. Okay, but these links can be again different as further divided into different types. For example, if we take which link here, external links. Now these links are used to navigate to different websites, and they are created using href attribute and the full URL of the destination page. Now that you call it as which link here, external links. That is called as external links. For example, yes, external links is there. Now this links is having different colors. Okay, we'll talk about that colors also. So external links are there. These links are used to navigate to a different websites. And they are created using the href attribute and the full URL of the destination page. For example, let us see the simple example on this. Now this is which is called as external links. This is an example of external links. How you comment? How you write a comment in HTML by using exclamatory and hyphen. How you write a comment by using exclamatory and hyphen. This is adding comment in what? HTML. Now HTML, I'm just writing external what? Links. HTML external links and hyphen. Yes. So this you can call it as which one? Comment. So comments are executed? No, right? So the way how you write a comments in other languages, in the same way you can write a comments in what? HTML also. The way how you write comments in other languages, even you can write the comments in what? HTML also, right? Then next is I just write here doc type. Okay, doc type is what here? HTML. So this document type define which type of DTD here? HTML5. You are telling the browser where all these tags are available. Whatever tags you are using, all these tags are available in one. It is available in one file or not? Yes, that file is called as which one? DTD. That is called as document type definition. Okay, parsers are developed or interpreters are developed by following certain rules or not? Yes. For example, say you are writing a Java program. You will say int. Int is right. Who recognize int? Who recognize int? Suppose you are writing a Java program. Int is there. Who recognize int? Int is recognized by which compiler? Java compiler, right? Who recognize int? Java compiler. In the same way, suppose if I'm writing HTML. Now who recognize HTML? Or who recognize HTML? This tag is recognized by whom? Browser. Browser is having translator. Browser is having translator or not? Yes. That translator you call it as which one? Parser. The translator is called as which one? Interpreter. Okay. It is called as a parser or it is called as a interpreter. But it means this parser or interpreter is developed by following. This parser or interpreter is developed by following some rules and regulations. Some rules and regulations given by whom? Given by whom? W3C. Now W3C define different document definitions or not? Yes. For example, you have HTML 4.0 is there? Yes or no? There is HTML what? 5. Is it all these are specifications or not? Yes. Where you find all these are the specifications given by whom? W3C. And implemented by whom? These are specifications given by whom? W3C implemented by whom? Programmer. Executed by whom? Browser. Implemented by whom? Programmer. Now you develop a web page by following which rules? HTML5. Who recognizes HTML5 rules? Browser. But you are telling, I'm developing this by using HTML5 by defining the document type as what? HTML. You're telling the browser that I'm using which rules? You're telling the browser I'm using which rules? HTML5, but by saying document type equal to what here? HTML. Ring or not? Suppose if you are using HTML4, then you have to include link. Which document? HTML4 document document type definition or not? Yes, which is called as DTD file. You have to understand this: specifications, implementations, execution. Specifications, implementations, and execution. Specifications, what it define? Set of rules and regulations. And these rules followed by programmer, and same rules are followed by executor. If executor follows some other rule and you write in some other, then is it executor understand? No. Getting on not? Okay. So just to try to understand this. Now document type. What is a document type is given? It's a basic example. See, for example, suppose a basic example, if it is specifications, what specifications define set of rules and regulations. For example, a basic example, if you take, for example, there is a, suppose you have a different SIM providers, right? SIM providers. Like who is this? BSNL. There is one, who is this? Another one is Jio. And there is another one who's called as a Airtel. Okay, bus here. Okay, then these are BSNL, Jio, and one more is what? Airtel. All these are the companies which provide SIMs or not? Yes. But how they develop the SIMs? By following certain rules or not? Yes. Who give the rules? Government of India, right? Okay, who gives the rules? Government of India, who's called as TRAI. Telephone Regulatory Authority of India, right? So this gives what here? This gives what here? Specifications. This gives what here? Specifications. And by following the specifications, these people will develop what? SIMs. Then who calls the functions of SIM? Who call the functions of SIM? Who calls? Who will call the functions of SIM? The mobile. Your mobile is there or not? Yes. Your mobile calls the functions of which one? SIM. But how this mobile is developed? By following the rules given by TRAI. This mobile is developed by following the rules given by whom? TRAI only. For example, HTML is there. Is it HTML 5.0 can be executed in any browser? Can be executed any browser? Yes or no? There is IE is there. Internet Explorer is there. Chrome is there. Like this, you have a different browsers are there or not? Yes. But all these browsers should have which one? All these browsers should have which one? Parser. Parser or which is called as interpreter or not? Yes. But this interpreter is a caller or not? Yes. Caller of or executor of which one? HTML5. And these interpreters developed by browser providers. And how they develop it? By following the rules given by W3C. So that is how it becomes portable. That is how it becomes your applications portable across what? Multiple browsers. If you don't follow the rules, then what will happen? If you don't follow the rules, if executor and implementer doesn't follow, suppose I write with one syntax, interpreter is having one more syntax. Is it match or doesn't match? Doesn't match. Then will it execute? No. Okay. So document type is HTML. Then next is what? I just write here HTML saying that, okay, this is an HTML document. Okay, because there are different types of documents are there or not? Yes. So there is a, yes, head is there, title, HTML. Which links here? External links. Title, external links. And then I close header. And then I started with this. And then after that, then what? I create one link. What is this? href. href means href stands for hyperlink reference or hypertext reference or link reference. Okay, reference is nothing but address. Reference is nothing but address, right? You want to go from one address to what? Another. You want to go to your friend house. What you should know? Address. Address nahi to kidhar jate? Okay, yes or no? You have to give the address for moving from one place to. So what is the address? Now this is which link? This is which link? External link. External link means the links are used to navigate to a different website, not to the same but different website. How you give? You give the complete. Now what you do it? You just give HTTP. Yes, or you just give some www dot. So I just wanted to move to nareshit.in. This is what now? Nareshit. Now just close anchor. Now it is a paid tag. So there is a beginning and there is also what here? Ending. There's a beginning and ending is there, right? So I just close here. I close here body. Yes. Then I create one more. www dot. Tell me here. Any other? Okay. Some Oracle dot. Oracle dot what? Comma in a com. So this is Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation having how many databases? Does Oracle Corporation hold how many databases? How many database software sold by Oracle Corporation? Oracle Corporation is hold how many database softwares? 2 database softwares. One is Oracle and one more is MySQL. Okay, Oracle and one more is MySQL. And Oracle Corporation also hold one language. What is that? Java. So Java is a product of Oracle Corporation. Oracle is a product of Oracle Corporation. MySQL is a product of Oracle Corporation. Ring or not? So Oracle also having cloud. What is the name of that? Don't know. Who win yesterday's match? Who win yesterday's match? GT. Very good. Yes. Yeah. This technically you should know it. Okay, so when you are learning, you must know everything, right? No problem. But Google it. You'll get a lot of information about this Oracle. Yes or no? Just open this. Now this is the links between. This is a link between 2 websites. This is a link between 2 websites. Okay, now I just open here. But is it in the same line or different line? Same line. Can I place this like a button or not? Yes. So that you can develop navigation bar. Navigation bar from where you can move from one page, one website to another. If you want in the next line, or if you want in the next line, BR tag. BR is for which one? Line break. Okay, line break. Yes. So just open here. So there are 2 here, Nareshit and Oracle Corp. I just click on Nareshit, but is it open? No. Why? You have not given complete path or not? Yes. Otherwise, it has which one? Relative. Then what you have to do? HTTP /n/ and here also HTTP /n/ HTTP /n/ Otherwise, it takes as which URL? Relative. Relative means relative to what? Your application. So your application is there where? Or where it is there in? Web app 1. This is your application directory or not? Yes. If I click on this link, if I click on this link, it will take this as a web app slash. It will take this as what? Web app slash www.nareshit.in. Is it web app slash nareshit.in is there? No. Okay, now you have to give the complete path. Complete path. That is what I have written here. Okay, complete path. They are created using href attribute and the full what here? URL of the destination page. Full URL along with the protocol. You have to give full URL along with the protocol. Otherwise, it will take it as which URL? Relative URL. Now just click on Naresh IT. Now I just open nareshit.in. So is it open in the same, or is it open in the same window or new window? Same window. Is it new tab or same tab? Same tab. By default, it is open in what? Same tab. Now oracle.com. This is oracle.com, right? Yes. Is it open in the same window or new window? Same window. Now this you can call it as which link? This called as a external link. External link. These links are used to navigate to a different website. They are created using href attribute and the full URL of the destination page. Destination page, right? Yes. Not only that, this external link not only to the another website, or you can use even external link to link another page which is available in what? Same website. Because external means not within the same page. External means not within the same page. It is what? Different page. Okay. Even that you can call it as external link, or that can be referred by using which one? Internal links. There is an external link and there is what? Internal links. So what is this internal links here? Let me tell you this. Okay, so is it this one is clear? Tell me here. Is it this one is clear or not? Yes, this is called as which link? External link. External link is between the two different websites, navigating from one website to another website. But here you have to give the full URL. There is one more is there. What is it? Another one? Internal link. Internal link is there. And these links are used to navigate to a different section or page within the same website. See here, these links are used to navigate. Navigate means moving from one place to another. Okay, different section or page within the same website. They are created using again href attribute and a relative part to the destination page. Relative, absolute. So here you are giving full URL. Here you are giving full URL because this is a new address or not? Yes. But here what you are doing, you are trying to give which one? Relative path. Relative path to the destination page. Relative path. Relative path means, see here, path is two types. One is absolute and one more is what? Relative. One is absolute path and one more is which one? Relative path. Path is nothing but what? Path. Path is nothing but what? Path is nothing but route. What is a path? Route. Where it is available. Okay, where it is available. Where it is available, that you call it as which one? Path. Route, you are showing the route. This page is there in the same directory. This page is there in some other directory. This page is there in the same location, relative to the same page, relative to the same resource or same location. Relative, there are two paths out there. One is absolute and one more is what? Relative. Remember this. In application development, you try to use this. One is absolute path. Okay, one is absolute path. One is absolute path and one more is a correct. Okay, one more is which one? Relative path. Relative. What is the difference here? Absolute and relative is, for example, assume that absolute. If you see absolute path, suppose assume that this is my web application. Okay, this is web application. One is there. Web application one is there. Web application one is there, and inside this there is a page one dot. There is a page one dot HTML. Sorry, there is a page one dot HTML, and there is a page two dot what HTML. Yes, there is one more page. Okay, page three dot HTML. Right. So HTML. For example, assume that now from page one, in the page one, I am writing which tag here? Anchor tag. Anchor tag to link page one with what? Page two. I want to link page one with what? Page two. But page one, page two is there in the same location or different location? Same location. It means page two. I mean page two is exists in the location where which one is there? Page one. Page two is exist in the location where what? Page one is there. It means both are there in the same location. Yes. Then is it required to define the location? No. That you call it as which path? Relative. Relative to the page one. Relative to what? Page one. Okay. Relative to page one. If I'm writing href, I simply write what is this? Page 2 dot HTML. I just write page 2 dot HTML. Now where it look for page 2? The location where which one is there? Page 1 is there. The location where the page 1 is there, in the same location it look for what? Page 2. Suppose if I'm writing here, now this is page 2. Sorry. Page 2, then it just open page, this is anchor tag, right? Suppose assume that this is called as relative. Okay. For example, within the same application, there is one folder is there. Within the same application, there is one folder is there, right? So what is the name of this folder? Assume that this is a folder 1. Assume that this is folder 1. Within this folder 1, inside this folder 1, I have one page. Okay, now what is the page is there? Page 4.html. Now I want to link page 1. Page 1 is there within the folder 1 or outside folder 1? Dekho yaar, page 1 is within the folder or outside? Outside. Now if I href, I want to link to which one? Page 4. If I'm writing page 4.html, and if I click on this page 4, then where it look for page 4? Tell me yaar, where it look for page 4? In the web application 1 or folder 1? Web application 1. But actually page 4 is there in which folder? Folder 1. Folder 1 is there in which folder? Web app 1. Web app 1 is nothing but relative or not? Yes. So within web app 1, I just write here what? Slash. And here I'll say what? Folder what? 1. So it means where it is looking for folder 1? It is looking inside what? Web app 1. Because what is web app 1? Is a relative location of page 1 or not? Yes. Within the same location, it look for what? Folder 1. And within folder 1, it look for page 4.html. So this you call it as which path? Alright, this is called as which path? Relative path. This is called a relative path. Suppose assume that there is another application is there. What is it application? Web application 2 is there. Web application 2 is there. Web application 2. Within web application 2, there is a page 5. Within web application 2, there is a page 5 dot which one? HTML. If I click on page 5, then it should link which page? It should link which one? Page 5 available in what? Web page, web application 2. Then what you write? A. What is this? href. Then equal to, what you write it? Web application 2. Web application 2. But we'll say web application 2. Will you say slash? Web application 2 slash Miss Root. Web application 2 slash, what is that? Page 5 dot HTML. Page 5 dot HTML. Page 5 dot HTML. And this you can call it as which path here? Absolute path. Page 5 dot, page 5, and I just close which tag here? Anchor tag. Yes, page 5, which is there in web app 2, or I can say web app 2, or I can simply write, now suppose if I'm saying dot to dot means, what is dot to dot indicates parent. What is a parent for page 5 web app 1? And slash means it will go to outside or not? Yes, in outside it look for which one? Web application 2. Web application 2, and from web application 2, here I should write web application 2. From web application 2, you are accessing what? Page 5 dot HTML. Dot to dot indicates which directory? Parent. What is a parent for page 5? Or what is a parent for page 5? Web app 1. And outside the web app 1, you are looking for which one? Web app 2. And within web app 2, you are looking for page 5 dot HTML, right? You can write as an absolute path, or you can write as which one? Relative. This is here. Okay. So this is called as absolute, and one more is a relative. Now see here, internal links, and these links are used to navigate to a different section or page within the same website. They are created using href attribute and relative to the path, the destination page. For example, yes. For example, yes. Now this is doc type. Again, doc type is HTML. Doc type is HTML. Now same application. There is an HTML document, beginning of the document, and this is end of the document. How your browser recognize the document is HTML? By saying a doc type and begin with what here? HTML, right? And after that, now what is the next one? Head is there. And then after that, title. This is which link here? Internal links. This is called as internal links. Okay. So internal links demo. Internal links demo, right? And after that, so there is a body, and there is closing of which one? Body, and there is a anchor tag, a reference. So this is now same application. I just write here one page. Assume that there is a page called, assume that this is some oracle.html. Now I'm just providing, suppose I'm developing one tutorial. There is one link. What is the link I created? Oracle. I just created one link called Oracle. Now assume that this is tutorial. One tutorial where I'm providing information about all subjects. What is the first subject? Oracle, right? Then href oracle.html, and then after that I'm just writing java.html. This is called as what is this tag? What is this link here? Java. Okay. Can you provide a title or not? Yes, title means what is title indicates here? Or a title indicates what? Tooltip. Title indicates what? Tooltip. When you move the cursor to that link, it will show you one tooltip providing more information. Suppose I just write here Oracle tutorial, and here title. Okay, here again I'm saying title equal to which one? Java tutorial. Java tutorial, right? I just close this. link. Now this is what is this now? Next is what here? Anything, some Python dot HTML. Now this is which one now? Python. Okay, now yes, yes. Okay, then body is closed, right? Then close the HTML. Now this is called assume that this is which page now? Assume that this is home.html. This is which one here? Home.html. I just open this. This is home.html. I just open home.html. Now you have Oracle, Java, and Python. No styles. Styles we applied once we move to CSS. But now you have to understand the tags. Now if I move the cursor, what is this? Title. This is tooltip here. Tooltip. Tips. Okay, tooltips, right? Oracle tutorial. Java. If I move cursor, Java tutorial. If I move here cursor, no title, no title. Because title is given or not given? Not given. Then suppose what will happen if I click on Oracle here, where it is looking for? See here, F drive web app 1 and Oracle dot HTML. In the same location or different location? Same location, right? Okay, but is it there or not there? Is it Oracle.html is there or not there? Not there. Now what you have to do? You have to create one file. Which file it is? Oracle.html. Is it another page? Okay, now. So doc type HTML, right? Then again HTML. Don't think that web designing is easy. You have to write it. Okay. You don't get the salary just like that one, right? 1 lakh ऐसे दे देते क्या? You have to sit for 12 hours. अभी 1 घंटा भी नहीं बैठ रहे आप. After joining the company, you have to sit for 12 hours. If you are not completed, you have to sit for more number of hours. तो चला जाओ बोलता हूँ ना. Reading or not, you have to work. Practice 1 hour. Okay, daily 1 hour, because you are doing so many subjects, right? So you have to look for all the subjects, but try to practice at least 1 hour, enough for practicing which one? HTML, CSS as well as JavaScript. Okay, yes, title is given. Now what is the title now? So this is Oracle tutorial. Oracle tutorial. Okay, na? Then body is given. Then topics, right? H1 or I starts with H2. Oracle what here? Topics. Oracle topics, I'm just defining it. So there is a subtopics in this. What is this now? SQL. Okay. And S3. What is this? SQL star, and what is that? Plus. SQL plus is there. Okay, now. What is the topic? What is the topic now? PL what? SQL. PL SQL. Just close this body. But is it these are the topics or not? Yes. But within SQL, again you find subtopics. And each topic I can put as one link, right? Then I close the body. Body is closed, and even HTML is also closed. Now this is which one? This is which one? Oracle.html. This is Oracle.html, right? Just open home page now. This is a home page. Okay, then I just click on which one? Oracle. Is it Oracle topics? SQL plus, and one more is PLSQL. But same page or different page? Same. I have to go to back. Yes or no? But I want this Oracle should be opened in new tab. Then what do you do it? Huh? What year? Target. अरे सही बोल रहे मार जोर से बोलना यार. हाँ? If it is wrong also you have to fight with the interviewer. Okay na? If it is wrong also. Okay, wrong also. Means he'll check your confidence, how much you are confident. Now here, what I have to do now? Target. Target equal to, target equal to what? Blank. Underscore what? Blank. These are the keywords, right? Every tag is a keyword and this is a value. Blank is one value. Okay. Now I just try to refresh this. Okay, just click on Oracle. Now where it is in the same page on new tab. New tab. Oracle. Now this is internal links. Now can you see more information about this, right? Oracle, now SQL, SQL Plus and PLS. Not in the same page, but by default, it will open in the same page or new page. Same page. By default, it will open in the same window. If you want in the new window or new tab, you have to say target equal to which one? Blank. Okay, now this is a new tab. This is a new tab, right? Then next one, you have one more. Suppose, assume that this is Oracle. Suppose I create outside. What I'm doing, I'm creating outside web application 1. But is it this is there within the same application or different? Same. Where it is looking for web application 1, which drive? F drive, right? You can also create this. For example, Java is there. I want to create this Java outside the web application 1. Outside the web application 1, then I'm saying doc type. This is a doc type is what again? HTML. Same story. HTML. Okay. So head is there. Yes. This is which tutorial? Java tutorial. Title and close the header. So topic. This is what? Java. Java is there. Divided into different parts here. Okay, H3. What is this now? Core Java is there. Core Java. Then again, I'm writing H3. Advanced to Java. Okay, now. Then H3. What next? Hibernate. Okay, H3. What is there? Spring. Okay, I just write here H3. Spring Boot. Okay, then I write H3. Some topics. Okay. Micro services. Okay, H3. Then I close the body and even which one? HTML, right? Save. Where I'm saving? Outside. Outside means I create one more web application. New folder. And what is this? Web application 2. In web application 2, I try to save this. What is the name of this? Java.html. Then tell me. So here I have to link which page? Java page. Java page, right? It is there in the same outside. Outside. Then where it is in F colon what? Slash. F colon slash which one? Web application 2 slash java.html. Okay, is it complete path? Are given complete path or not? Yes. Okay, suppose I just refresh. I just click on Java. Now F colon web application 2 java.html. I just write here slash. I just don't write this F. Slash web application 2. I just write like this. Suppose I just refresh this one. And if I click on Java, is it open or not? Yes, because slash means what? Root. From beginning. Root web application to java.html. Suppose if I don't write a slash. Then what will happen? What will happen? Is it absolute or relative? Absolute or relative? Relative. So where it is looking for? It is looking for web application 2 inside what? Web application 1. But web application 1, web application 2 is there in web application 1? No. It is there outside. Outside means from root. Root. Slash means what here again? Root. Go to the root again. And from there, look for which one? Web application 2. अभी घर के अंदर पूरा रूम्स रहता, एक रूम से और एक रूम को जाते, बाहर आके जाते क्या? नहीं. सपोज घर के अंदर हॉल में किचन में जाना बोले, बाहर आके फिर किचन में जाते? नहीं. हॉल से डायरेक्टली गो टू किचन. दैट इज कॉल्ड रिलेटिव. अभी बाजू का और एक घर है, उसमें जाना बोले तो बाहर आके फिर जाना, बाहर आके బయటికి వచ్చి మళ్ళీ పోవాలి. తెలుగులో అంతే కదా? ఓకే, ఇట్లా జంప్ చేస్తారా దాంట్లో నుంచి? దొంగోడు అంటారు సార్. నో, intruders, right? So you have to do like that. Slash means what? Go to the root. Come out of this. Come out of the current location. Go to which one? Root. And then search in what? Web application to java.html. This is called as which path? Absolute. And this is called as which path? Relative. Relative to the current location. And this is complete path. That you call it as absolute path. Now in this case, will it work or doesn't work? Work. Okay, now so try to create first directory structure and then do it, right? So this you can call it as absolute and relate. Now this link, you call it as which link? Alright, this is which link? Internal link. But I try to place this HTML in what? Another application. But based on this, now not only that, internal link means, see here, these links are used to navigate to a different section or page within the same website. They are created using the href attribute and relative part to the destination page. Now it is used. Now just to see here. So first you develop, to practice this, first you develop which one? Which page? Home.html. First you create this page if you are practicing. Then next, which page? Oracle.html. This is Oracle.html. Nothing I have written here, just a simple text. So this is Oracle.html, and you create one folder outside this. What is that? Web application to slash. What is that? Java.html. For practicing this. Okay, now this is, where is this here? Java.html. You can use all tables, ordered list, unordered list for designing page. Ordered list, unordered list for designing page, right? Okay, but there is another, I said internal link is, okay, navigating to a different section or page within the same website. Different section. Now here you have a different section within the same page. Different section within the page means that section should be given some name or not? Yes, that section should be given some name, and that you call it as which links here? Anchor links. That links are called as which links? Anchor links. Now within the same page, for example, you have very document with lot of content. Only one page is there. Complete content is in one page. One page is there. Everything you put in one page only. Okay, now you want to navigate from one section to another section within the same page. Then how can you navigate? Each section is given some name. It is given name or it is given what? ID. Now you jump from one place to another place. You jump from one place to another place, and that you call it as which link here? Anchor links. Now these links are used to navigate to a specific section of a page. They are created by adding ID attribute to the destination section and use a hash followed by ID in the href attribute of which one? Link. You can use either ID or you can use either what? Name. You can use either ID or you can use either name. Okay, now see here, a href. Now what is the name of this section? Section 1. But how you are creating this section? This section can be created at the time of, see here, you are saying you are creating a section h2 ID equal to section 1. If I click on this section 1, you are saying just move to which one? Section 1. Now this is how you are linking one part of the one part of the content with another part of the content within the same or within what? Same page. Same page. One part of the content with the another part of the content within the same page. For that, you have to define the content with some, name. This content should be given some name, and that name you are giving it by using which one? ID. That name you are giving it by using which one? ID. Every tag is having which one? ID. For example, see here. For example, just see. So I think you know bookmarks, right? Bookmarks. Bookmark, you know it. Bookmark. Suppose you keep on reading book and you stop somewhere, right? Then what do you put? So that you can directly move. Here also you create some, what you create? Some bookmarks. And once you create a bookmarks, you can navigate from one bookmark to another. But how you create a bookmarks? By using ID. How you create a bookmarks? By using ID. For example, yeah, just to see here. So now you have a doc type. Again, doc type is there and HTML. Yes. Now this is anchor links test here. So the title, and I just close which one? Head here, right? Yes. Now here, what I'm doing is, I'm trying to create some paragraphs. I'm creating some paragraphs. Now this is paragraph ID equal to what? Some ID I define here. Okay. So what is the ID I'm giving is some, assume that this is about how you define the ID by using hash and it followed by the ID. ID is nothing but, suppose I just provide information about which one? Assume that anchor, hyperlinks. So I just write here hyperlinks. So I just, now this is a beginning of the paragraph. Yes or no? This is a beginning of the paragraph. Now this paragraph define all these things. Okay. So this is the content of this particular paragraph. I open and then closed it. Okay. Now this is one paragraph. Then I create one more paragraph. And this is also having which one? ID. ID is nothing but bookmark or not? Yes. Okay. So within double quotes, how you create it? By using hash. Okay. Then here I just define, what is this? Attributes. Attributes is there. Now this you can call it as ID of this particular paragraph. And I just define the attributes here. Now huge content should be there here. Huge content should be there here. Okay. Yes. Then I open the paragraph. I just close the paragraph. Then I take one more P and ID. I just define the ID here. Now this ID is, I just write types, link types. I just write link types. This is ID or this is called bookmark. This is called ID or this is what? Bookmark. Okay. I just write some content here. This is the content. I just open the paragraph and next is what? Close. Now I'm creating what? Links. Now this is called as which links here? Anchor links. A, and I'm just writing href. What is the name of this? Ahref. What is the name of this here? What is the first one I've given? Ahref. What is the first one I've given? Ahref. Sorry. Ahref. What I've given here? See what? Sorry. This is ID. ID is not prefixed with hash. ID is only name, right? Okay. So links are there. Attributes. Okay. Now this is which one? Hyperlinks. ID is only a name which is not prefixed here, but link is prefixed with what? Hash. Href. For example, I'm just writing here href. What is it? What is this? Hyperlink. What is the first anchor tag? What is the first ID here? What is the first anchor reference here? Hyperlinks. Hyperlinks is there. First one is hyperlinks here. And this is hyperlinks. Okay. So then some line break. And second one is, as this right here, what is this? Attributes. What is the second one here? Attributes here. Attributes. So you are linking to which section of the page? Attributes. Which section of the page? Attributes. So this is attributes here. And next is, you are linking to which section of the page? And this is nothing but link type. So there is a link type. So this is types of links or link. Link, what is that? Type. So I just close this and close the body and close which one? HTML. But I try to put this not at the end, but I should have this at the beginning, because this content is moved down, right? Yes. I try to insert number of line breaks here. Okay, something like this. Okay. Now this is in web application 1. Yes. Now this is some test 26.html. So if you take this is a book, and book is having different bookmarks. One is hyperlink and one more is attributes and one more is what? Link type. Okay. Yes. Now this is a test 26. Okay. Now once I open this, but here first it is shown. This is already shown, right? Okay. If I say hyperlinks, it is at hyperlinks only. But if I say attributes, attribute is open already. Attribute is open, or where is the content? Oh, everything is there here only, right? So if you should have more content, right? You should have more content here. More content means we'll just copy the same content again. So same content I copy. Because it is shown in the same page, right? Okay. Now there is some content is moved down, right? So this is hyperlinks. And attributes is also shown here. But link type is below, right? Okay. When I click on link type, it is moved below or not? Yes. You should have more content here. Okay. Then only you can understand. I'll try to copy same content again. Same content again here, right? So here, You can see this is about which one? Hyperlinks. This is about hyperlinks. If I click on hyperlinks, anyway, it is shown hyperlinks. Okay. If I click on attributes, then it should move to which one? Attributes. Now here, these are attributes or not? Yes. This is belongs to which one? Attributes. But if I'm clicking on link type, then it will move to which one? Link type. Now these are called which one here? Link type. But when you can find these differences, if you have a more content, one page contain lot of sections are there, and you want to move from one section to another, then you create which links here? Anchor links. Anchor links, these links are used to navigate to a specific section of a page. They are created by adding id attribute to the destination section and using a followed by hash followed by the id of the href attribute of the link. That is how you link one section with what? Another section. So first you create what? Link. And this, when you click on this link, you link with which one? ID. So there is a link and there is what? ID. You define this ID as a part of which one? Address. You define this ID as a part of which one? Address. Right? And that you call it as which tag here? Anchor links. This is called as which one? Anchor links. But how can I copy this example here? So a lot of content is there, right? So what will I do is, now you type, if you are practicing, then you try to increase the content. Increase the content so that you can navigate from one section to another section. But more content is not there, you cannot see that effect, right? So here I have taken a lot of content. So yes, but you have to take more content. Remember that. Okay. So this is which link now? This is called as which link? Anchor links. Anchor links is within the same page, from one section to another. That you call it as anchor links. Then next one what you have is there is one more link is there, and what is the name of that link is email links. There is one more link is there, and that link you call it as email links. And these links are used to open the user's default email client and create a new email to the specified address. They are created by using which one? Mail to. There is a mail to, there is a CC, there is what? BCC. You can define all this. Okay. But generally mail to protocol in the href attribute. You have to use this protocol. If you don't use this protocol, is it open this in a specific what is it? Mail provider? No. You are trying to say mail to. What is mail to here? Protocol followed by colon, and it followed by what? Email. For example, suppose, assume that this is called as email links. Email links, where when you say senders means when you click on senders, directly it will open. Directly it will open what? Directly it will open compose, where you can type the mail and what? Send it. Compose, and where you can type the mail and send it. For that, you are using one protocol. What is that protocol? Mail to protocol. For example, see here, mailers are mail to suppose again doc type. So again doc type. What is the doc type here? HTML, right? So there is a header. Yes. So this is title, email test here. Email test. Okay. This is which link here? Email link. I just take this link here. Okay. Mail to what here? Just write here support at the rate nareshid.com. I just write here support at the rate nareshid.com. Okay, support at the rate nareshid.com, right? Yes. So I just try to open this. So once you send us an email, once you click on this, okay, yes. Now which one you have to use? Which one? You want to open this link by using which one? Mail, Outlook. But here it is asking for NIT, no password here. Microsoft account is asking. Why Naresh IT? Okay, now this is so I just write here some gmail.com, right? Yeah, this is some mail ID, right? So what I'm doing is, yes. Okay, now send us email. Yes, it's asking mail sign in here. Here you have to create account. But anyway, we'll see this. I need to create one account, right? Okay, because by default it will open in Outlook. Okay, now you have to register with Outlook. Now here in this system, it is not registered, right? Okay, anyway, no problem. Now you can just give mail to and just give what? Email ID. Then it will try to open this in registered what? Mail. It means how you send it. You send a mail by using mail providers or not? Yes. For example, if you take Microsoft, is having which one? Outlook. By using Outlook, you can send a mail. By using Outlook, what you can do? You can send the mail. That is a default. That is a default mail provided by which one? Microsoft, right? Yes. So that is called as a mail to. Mail to is nothing but mail link. Okay, mail to is called as a mail link, right? Yes. See here. Please just try to understand. So what is hyperlink? Come on here. What is hyperlink? Hyperlink also, links also known as which one? Hyperlink. What you are using by using hyperlinks? You are linking one document with another document. You are linking the content of one page with what? Another page, or you are linking the content of the same page. But how you create a hyperlink? By using which tag? Anchor tag. An anchor tag which is used for navigation between what? Web pages or resources. And it is having number of attributes. And there is an attribute called href. There is an attribute called target. There is an attribute called what? Relationship. And there is a title and there is download. Okay. So what is external links? External links to navigate between two different websites. Two different websites. Then what is another link? Internal links. And these links are used to navigate to a different section or page within the same website. And they are created again by using href, attribute and a relative path to the destination page. Okay, there is one more link. What is it? Another link? Anchor link. Anchor link. Now these links are used to navigate a specific section of what? Page. They are created by adding which attribute? ID attribute. Okay. And there is one more link is there. And what is that link? Email link, by using which you can send a mail. But for that, you have to register with what? Outlook. Okay. Yes. The next one is, one more is there. See, there are different types of links out there. There is one more link. What is the name of this link? File download links. Image link, file download links. You can create different types of links. But anyway, I'll tell you some more link types, but not today, but tomorrow we'll see that. Okay, up to this, is it clearer? What do you say here? Yes or no? All of you backside, don't see mobiles here. Don't see mobiles, because if you sit back means, okay, don't see mobiles, nothing, no programming logic, no select, no insert, nothing. Kali design karna mastunnayi. Very easy. HTML, CSS, JavaScript is very easy. You don't require to put lot of mind also. No algorithms. No algorithms, no programming logics. You are not writing anything, prime number, even number, odd number. You are not saying select star from, insert into. No, nothing. Kali design karna page ko. Okay, right. So we'll see more related with this. Not today, but tomorrow we'll continue this. And from today onwards, I'll be uploading these documents in the new Google Classroom. Okay, so please join. Please join. Right. Thank you. We'll see tomorrow.